I want you all to stay true to the most real, most sincere, most authentic parts of yourselves. I want you to ask those basic questions: who do you want to be? What inspires you? How do you want to give back? And then I want you to take a deep breath and trust yourselves to chart your own course and make your mark on the world.
In order for our lives to go forward, we need to be willing and able to accept what is right in front of us. Whatever it is, the good, the bad, the thrilling, the heartbreaking, every emotion, occurrence, event, person, place or thing, you will experience them all.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मुर्तज़ा सुबहानी है और आज कोथम की कॉन्वोकेशन थी और it is great feeling to be here and it is great ceremony.
COTHM is the only school which deals with hospitality, and I'm honored to be a part of COTHM, and I really want to thank it for giving me a chance and opportunity to groom. Thank you, COTHM.
In order to engage fully in life, we need to be willing and able to accept what is right in front of us.